Hi guys and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Radico and this is the intraday trade what I have done for the day. So I'll be explaining you my trade where it took today, how I made the entry, exit and everything, and also we'll quickly be looking at Nifty 50 market analysis for the day and how the market has performed for the day. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, so before that let me show you what I have done the trading for the day. So today I have traded on Radico and today have taken the short sell entry around 1708. Okay, so this is a trade what I have taken today around 9:32 a.m. Okay, so I short sold around 1708. Okay, so this is a trade what I have taken according to my study and the strategy, and this trade was done without any indicators. Okay, so this analysis was like this. So it was a buy above 1728. If the stock has gone above 1728, I would have bought the stock, or if it has gone below 1708, I would have short sold. So as you guys can see here, the short sell level has triggered for the day. So 1708 short sell has been triggered. So as you guys saw how I took the entry around 9:22 a.m. It was a sell, and after that you can see for the whole day the stock has performed in the sell side itself. Almost more than 25 points more the target has been given here. But by booking my target, I have taken my exit by following the discipline. I've kept my target up to 7 to 8 points and I've taken my exit. Okay, so I always follow my discipline in intraday trading. Okay, so I keep the percentage of target and stop loss calculated and I take my exit. So, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn how to select a good stock for intraday trading and how to make a perfect entries like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also you get everyday live market personal support as well, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me about how you can be a consistent profitable trader and learn the correct knowledge and skill which are very simple and straightforward. Okay, so this is about today's trade what I have done. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50 chart. So today you can see Nifty 50 has performed in a bullish way today. Yes, the market has gone up, but you can see our stock has performed in a bearish side. Yes, in intraday, this does happens very quite oftenly. So it doesn't mean that if the market is going up, all the stock will go up, or if the market is coming down, not all the stock will come down. So today, this is how the market has performed. So you can see here the market has gone up today. The high made is around 22591 almost. So this is a Nifty 50 chart. And from there, the market has retraced a bit around afternoon, I can tell. Around 12:30 to 12:45, the market has retraced. And today, the market has closed at 22,529, around 0.12% up only. Okay. So before the market has raised a little bit, and from around 22,591 to 22,507 is where it has closed, almost like 100 points down from the peak point where it has closed today. So this is how the market performed. But the pre-open market opening was today, it was a bearish, minus 0.43% down today. Declines of stocks were 30 in the morning when the market opened. Advances stocks were 15 and unstaged was only 5 stocks. So this is how the market opened for the day. Okay, after the pre-open market got closed. This is how the market closed. It was almost like a bearish view itself, and you can see from there the market has taken a very good support. This is where it opened, and from there the market started pushing up, and almost for half of a day the market was up, and later it has corrected a little bit. It's not a big bearish movement also. It has corrected a bit, but anyway it has closed at upper side itself at plus 0.12% up. So this is a nifty momentum for the day, how it has performed. And if we quickly see the main sectoral indices, how it has performed, you can see here in the screen that Nifty metal has gone up and gained most for the day, 3.88% up. So this contributed for market bullish momentum for the day. And Nifty Media 1.25% up. Nifty PSU Bank also 1.51% up. Okay, all the other indices has been given a normal performance. And if we see the most declining indices for the day, I guess that would be Nifty Private Bank with minus 0.59% down. So this is the Nifty 50 overview for the day and the indices overview for the day. And this is the trade what I've done today. So if you guys want to learn from me and get the knowledge of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.